Hello, welcome back. Let's continue with what we were doing the last time. Okay, what in the previous video, in the part 1 video of the Marksheet, I was doing with the ifs function here in order to find the result. So let's do it. Let's get started. Okay, so let's put the equal to sign and put if, and I have to select this if function, so I need to double click it. When I double click it, it is asking me for a logical test. Okay, so what I have to do, I will select a random number, not from the total, not from the percentage, not from the rank, but from the subject here. Okay, so I know that this is 90, some of the 90 marks. It doesn't matter what marks you choose, but the minimum marks you need to keep in mind. So I will choose that if a person is less than 40, that means he is fair. Okay, and that is what I'm going to do here. So I'll just randomly select a big number. So I can select 98 also. It's not a problem with me, but you can select any number, but just that you can't select 30, because 30 will not be less than 30, right? So because of that, okay, I will select this 90 here. Okay, once I select this 90, I will say 90 is greater than 30, right? So see, 90 is not greater than 30. That is, we already know that. So how to put it here? So if 90 is this particular 90 is greater than 30, that means that what you should do, it should if it's greater, then no problem with it. Okay, you should pass. Okay, and if it's not, if the condition is not, then it will fail. Fail, fail. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so let's try to enter it. Before that, I'm so scared, I want to enter it, but still I will enter. But let's first verify. Okay, so if a particular number is greater than 30, that means he will pass. If that particular student marks is less than 30, that means he will fail. So let's enter. So this is bus. Okay, so I can make sure that 90, 40, 50 is not less than anybody 30, so everyone is bus here. So happy. Let's do. I don't want to rewrite again. Okay, that's the beauty of Excel, that you can track here and put it here. So before I reveal you the answer, I want the solution. I want you to guess. So I know that this Matthew guy, this student name called Matthew, will fail because he has failed in English. Okay, that is 30. Okay, so let's do it. Then yes, somebody has failed. Who has failed? The Matthew has failed in English. So that is 30, and that's why it's saying that it's failed. Okay, so please check out the formula here. So if a number is greater than 30, that means you will pass. Otherwise, if less than 30, that means you will fail. Okay, and that is what I'm going to do. Okay, but what you can do is that, of course, it's functioning, but you can also put here 40 also, no problem. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. So okay, once you I'll just delete this one. Okay, and once more I will track this, and then I'll put this, track it, and this is fail. Okay, no issue with that. Just that the only thing that you need to keep in mind, that you need to select a minimum number. Okay, and if that particular condition is greater than that minimum number, that means his pass. Is less than the minimum number, that means he is obviously fail. Okay, and in this case, this 30 is less than 40. Okay, and also that is the reason why this Matthew has failed, and the result of this particular guy called Matthew, this student name called Matthew, has failed. Okay, and that's why it is. Okay, all right, so we have done this result. We have the rank, we have percentage, we have total, we have science, we have math, we have English, math, everything we have done with the subject, with the mark sheet. Okay, just that we need to decorate a little bit something. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment in the section. If you are having doubt in some of the portion, maybe you might be having doubt in the result option, so just I will cross verify with some other good example, all right? So you make sure that you let me know, all right? So I'll just decorate it. Okay, so I want to decorate. I just select this whole, and I will add a border. Okay, so I will add a border order. You select here, you go here, borders, and I want to select all borders. Okay, so once I select this all border, and that is how it will look like. And if you want to print this particular page, so what you need to, you go to this home button and go to the print. Okay, once you create a print, select. So I don't have a printer right now, so I can't really show you. Okay, but what you need to know is that you need to know how it will look like. That's the main question, how it will look like. So you need to go to print, and you need to go, not here, sorry, you need to go to the print. Okay, and you need to go to the print preview. Okay, once you see, so this is the mark sheet that you can see on your paper, and this is how it will print. It's not that good because the reason it's not appearing, this, the portion is half. Okay, and it's not appearing, the result is missing here, even the other parts are missing in. So I will make sure that it's not missing, so I'll just close it. Okay, so because here, out of here, I have, uh out of the line. Okay, I mean the out, I the my page, my mark sheet that I've written down is out of the page. So this, how do I know that is because of the line that you can see here. Okay, if it exists, that means it is not gonna appear full. So how can I fix that? The question is, how can I fix that? So I'll go to the page layout and have to change the orientation. So when I change the orientation, it will be landscape. So let's try now. I have changed it to the landscape. Go to the page orientation, select it, and change the landscape. Okay, so let's see now. Let's see and how it will look like. Print and preview, and this is what it will look like, and it has now fully appeared, and you can easily print it out. And that's how you can you can also modify it using the formula. Okay, so I hope you got it, and if you haven't, then I will redo it again with one of the more beautiful examples, and make sure the only thing that maybe I feel like the visual part is a little bit tricky. Once you understand, you'll automatically get it. Okay, fine. So I'll see you in the next video with upcoming videos. I'll make sure that I'll make sure that I'll make a video that is very useful for you guys. All right, thank you and bye bye.